Hi, it's Heather from Heather's Michigan Garden, and I've been outside today looking around and trying to assess all the work that I need to get done this spring. I have a lot of mulching to do. I have a lot of weeds that I need to pull, so within the next couple of weeks I will be focusing on getting some of my weeds cleaned up and cleaning up my flower beds and getting mulch down, because one of my flower beds that I planted right in this garden never got any mulch put down last fall, so I still need to get mulch down for that one. So that's what I'll be working on over the course of the next couple weeks, and a nice fresh bed of mulch will look fantastic. Thanks for watching Heather's Michigan Garden.